In this video, I'll show you how to delete all chat messages quickly on Discord. First, it's important to know that Discord does not have a built-in option to delete all messages at once in a conversation. However, there are a few methods you can use to remove messages faster. If you're deleting your own messages in a server or direct message, you can hover over each message, click the three dots, then select Delete. This is the manual method, but it can be slow if you have many messages. A faster way on desktop is to use keyboard shortcuts. Press the up arrow key to edit your last message, then press Ctrl+A to select all text, press backspace, and hit enter. This deletes your most recent message quickly, and you can repeat the process to remove multiple messages faster. If you're managing a server and want to clear messages in bulk, the best option is to use a Discord bot like MEE6 or Dyno. These bots have commands that allow you to delete multiple messages at once, such as clearing the last 100 messages in a channel. Keep in mind that using self-bots or automation tools on your personal account can violate Discord's terms, so it's best to use approved bots or manual methods. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.